taking the natural approach that nature intended in making your hair fuller, using the microstrand technology with one human hair at a time, the same way hair grows out of the scalp, fed onto these microstrands, becoming this one example blended in between your own hair, disappears, you have full access to your scalp, and you're using all of your own hair. You're just adding hair in between, and your hair has freedom to grow. In reference to pricing, pricing is very flexible. Pricing is determined by the size of your area. So you can fill in a large area, or if you want to lower the price, you can fill in a small area. As an example, a small area that's maybe 5" by 2" is about $650. Let's go in the opposite direction. If you're looking to have hair added all over, meaning the top and the sides and the back, everywhere, the price is going to be around $3,900. And there's prices in between that. Now also, you can add a small amount of hair in a small area, and at any later date, add more of the microstrand and add hair in increments, therefore breaking up your price. So in summary, prices can range anywhere from $650 to $4,000 depending on the area, and it could be anywhere in between those zones. The best advice is you should definitely schedule a private video call or just a call so we can understand your hair situation and give you multiple options.